So I'm back with another video. This time I have this box. Just came in from Amazon. Don't know if you can read that. Probably not very well because it's going to read backwards. I'm using my cell phone to record this besides the GoPro. So this is a drill brush set. So if you've ever watched, I think his name is Mitch, the detail geek on YouTube. Guys, he's an amazing detailer, and I recently ran across his channel probably about a month or so ago, and I was watching his process of what he does, and with his process of cleaning carpets, he uses a brush set like this. So I clicked on his affiliate link and placed the order, and so he uses these things religiously. And so I don't know if you can see this or if the screen's washing out, but it's a brush set that goes onto your drill. And I didn't even think to bring my drill up here. It's down in the garage. But this isn't rocket science, folks. So, now this one is by Hiware. Yeah, Hiware. I'm pretty sure this is the exact one that he was using. And so this is a 3-piece set. Open it up. And there's an extension. It's here. You can see that. So this goes into your drill. And then there's 3 different heads. Looks like the end of a toilet bowl brush. So you have this one. And you have a larger diameter brush. And then there's a smaller brush. This one has a card on the inside. Hiware. If you can see it. It's a dog. So on the back, this is the back of it. Oh, if you can read that. There you go. Again, it's backwards, looks like. So it comes with a 2-year warranty. We offer you free extended warranty up to 2 years, except the standard 30-day Amazon's return warranty. The warranties cover product damage, missing parts, product does not meet your expectations, other issues during this item within 2 years. Then it goes on to say within the 2-year warranty periods, you can reach out to us and get a refund or a new product if you have any problems. And then it has their contact information there on the back of the card. So $9.99 Amazon Prime item. I've seen these come in different colors as well. To me, it didn't really matter which color it was. This one's white and black. I'm going to say this is probably maybe about a 3.5 inch diameter, and it's probably about 4 inches in length. Here you have the hex shaft, like what would go in your go into your drill. Yeah, I'm looking to see if I have one up here, but I don't. So this would go into your drill. The quality of it offhand, it looks fine. Nothing special. Yeah, it's plastic, nylon. It's about the consistency of like a toilet bowl brush. Now you can see it's more coarse or open here in this area, and then it's much more fine here in this area. So there's a lot more bristles here to where it's more spaced apart. I have no idea why that is. That's the way that one's designed. So this is a good corner brush for getting into the corner of things. So that's a look at the first one. This one feels a little softer than what this feels. Maybe it's just because of the spacing. Now this is probably 5 inches, 4.5 inch, 5 inch diameter. These right here is about 1 inch. Again, it's it's a fairly thick plastic, so that's solid plastic. As you can probably see, there's no kind of recessed areas in this where they tried to save weight. But it's pretty thick. So the thickness you see here is it's consistent all the way through it. It appears. So it should structurally be, stay intact. And so here you have the shaft for the drill bit, and it's not wiggling. And so yeah, you just put it in there, and for carpets or whatever it is you're wanting to scrub, you just spin it up. Pretty simple, pretty basic, not really a whole lot to it. So anyway, that's the larger one. This one I'm going to say is probably about 2.5 inches in diameter. It's basically the same thing, but just a lot smaller. So the way it was put in there, these are pushed over a little bit, but once you get using it, it's all going to open up quite a bit. So yeah, I'm going to say this one's probably about 2.5 inches. Has the shank again. That's there for the drill. And just a good look at the inside. It looks again like it's going to hold up. I don't think there'll be any issues with it falling apart or breaking. I'm going to say that you'll wear out these bristles before this thing breaks. These are actually built fairly well. I'm quite impressed, especially for this, this whole set to only be $10. So you get this extension. So this has some kind of little pullback release on it for some reason. Okay, so it locks. Pull it back and it releases. Okay. That's a nice little touch. It's probably going to be loud as you're using it. But no louder than what the drill's going to be as it's, spinning. So with it being that loose, it may wear out a little bit quicker. But it's $10, so what do you expect, So this shaft is this is about 6 inches. I'm going to say this is about 6 inches long. I said this is about 5. 4.5, 5. So yeah, it's about 6 inches. But I don't think I've seen Mitch even use this. I don't know if his came with this or not, but I haven't even seen him use it. I could see where this would be more beneficial using with this corner piece. And I have a do I have a right angle drill? I think I have a right angle drill that I can try this out with as well. And this may be another item that would be good to have 2 sets. One for your detailing. And then have another set, for like your interior, right? So your interior detailing, and then have another set available for like your wheels. If you decided to use this on your wheels, I wouldn't, but somebody will. But if you also wanted to use it, say like exhaust tips, if you wanted to use it, say like in the engine compartment, something like that. So you could have 2 sets, so one for the interior, one for the really nasty dirty stuff. It probably wouldn't even be bad to have one for in the house, just to keep for, if you get spills or whatever, you can try to get it out of the carpet with one of these devices, or trying to clean some grout. I don't know how well this will do. It's pretty soft for grout, but maybe in the shower or something like that. So I'm going to put a link, an affiliate link to Amazon where I got these in the description. So if you want to check it out, just click on the link and it'll take you to Amazon to the item. And it's pretty basic. It's just a brush set. But thanks to Mitch at the Detailing Geek on YouTube, for showing these to us. It looks like a pretty cool item. Looks like it'll be very handy, and that's about it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and take care. All right, bye. Stop recording.